front of me is REALME 13 and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Users and Accounts. Then tap on Google Password Manager, and hit any password you wish to edit. Enter your screen lock, tap on Edit button and change whatever you want to. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!